Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel, Makeup by Yolie. I'm so excited to bring you another tutorial, yes, and the inspiration for this look is the KKWxMARIO palette. It's the palette that Kim Kardashian collaborated with her makeup artist Mario, and so as you can see here, I'm using this palette. This palette's kind of worn. Goes to show you I use this palette a lot. And the colors of my inspiration obviously is this bad boy right here, and this color, and this color, and oh god, I love this palette so much. So if you want to know how I created this look, then keep watching. Also, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think by giving this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Comment below, let me know, and let's get started. I'll see you guys in 5, 4, 3, 2. So the first color that we're going to use for this beautiful look is Miami, and that's that transition color that I'm using right now to buff right into the eye so we can begin to build the color. Now we're going in with Albanian, that darker orange color, and we're just going to focus right on the outer corner of our eyes just to really intensify this look. Now we're going in with the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Palette Remastered, and we're using Black Truffle. We're going to lay this right on the lid of our eyes, and this is key for building the intensity of the blue that we're going to put on right on top. We're going back to the KKWxMARIO palette, and we're going to use Libra, that blue color. And as you can see, I'm going to apply it to the lid of my eye right on top of that Black Truffle, and you see the blue begin to intensify. That's what happens when you place a black base on the lid before putting that blue right on top. Now I'm going back in with that transition color Miami, and I'm going to blend out this look so that we can soften up those edges. We lost a little bit of color, so I'm going back in with Libra, and I'm going to apply a little bit more right onto the lid. Now I'm going in with Loyalty, and I'm just going to apply it right to the center of the lid, and that's just to make this color pop. What I didn't show prior to putting on Loyalty, that silver color, I also smoked out the outer corners of my eyes with Vegas, that purplish color, just to intensify this look some more. Now I'm going to create a wing liner using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Black Cream Liner. Now I'm going in with my two favorite foundations, the TOFFEE and BAKLAVA by Huda Beauty. Concealer time. I'm going in with my Mega Concealer Waterproof Full Coverage Concealer that I bought at a beauty supply store. Now we can't forget the Laura Mercier setting powder. I live for this powder. You have no idea. Now I'm going in with my overall matte finish pressed powder. I'm going in with two contour palettes. One is the Park Avenue Princess palette by Tarte, and the second is the KOKO collection by KYLIE Cosmetics, and I'm using Rodeo Drive. Now I'm using my MAC Peach blush. I promise you guys, I have other blushes in my arsenal, but for now, I love this one. I promise I will retire it very, very soon. Now I'm going in with my Hollywood lashes from Azuredo Cosmetics. If you use code Yolie10, you get 10% off. I'm going back in with my KKWxMARIO palette, and I'm using colors Libra, Vegas, and Albanian to rim and smoke out the lower lash line. It's time to add the lip, so I'm using my Makeup Forever lip liner pencil in Versatile Chestnut. Since the eyes were already intensified, I wanted to go in with a nude lip, so I'm using ColourPop's lip gloss in Fantasia. It's time to glow. Let's add some highlight. I'm using the KYLIE Pressed Powder Palette, and the two colors that I'm using, it's Snowing Pussy Willows and Money Doesn't Grow on Trees. Look at that highlight. I can see, I mean, I don't know what else to say. Look at it. Well, here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoy. I had fun creating it, so please don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.